Oh, yeah. I'm going down the corner. Don't follow me, Matt. Wait. Tornado sirens are going off. I'm trying to get you guys some footage here. Oh my God. Yep, I got a roll, boys. There's security over there. I'm spinning right there.
I'm more worried about that. It keeps moving funky right there. See that dip? It keeps moving, it keeps lowering.
It's done. That's all we're getting. I like the way it highlights. See, look at that. At night. You outside, Greg, or you inside?
He's inside the bathroom with the kiddo.
I'm inside, but I gotta look.
Oh, here comes the sirens again.
Hey, Mom, I'm gonna call Dennis, make sure he's at least up and do what he needs to do, okay? You're fine. I'm not hanging up with you, and I love you.
It's not on.
Move, Matt. I'm gonna go up front too. Don't talk too loud, Matt. We got neighbors.
It's radar indicated. So there's no concern on the ground for any of it. It's damage.
Oh, holy snappy. Back the fuck up. Yep, don't get on top of me. Hey, Matt.
Yeah?
Tell Greg he's got major lightning right behind his building over there.
You got some major lightning behind your building.
Somebody else coming out?
It sounds like someone's Be safe. So
Yeah,
far,
we're probably gonna go to the gym.
it's radar indicated so far.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't know where it's at.
It's coming from Republic. Republic towards us. So towards the where the rodeo is down here, towards us, essentially.
Your dad really needs to get in here.
Where? Mom. We're right here.
Oh my god.
Oh, damn, that lightning.
What do we do?
You can't do anything.
Yeah, but there's nowhere to go, Annie. You got the freaking apartment complex. Is there a tornado? It looks like it's all south. It's starting to rain.
Shut the door, Matt. The side door. Shut the side door.